Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a very easy candle emoji. So let's just draw the top first by drawing a slight curve that tilts a little bit to the right. Okay, and then curve out the corners. And then this is going to go straight down to the base. But in the meantime, what we're going to do is we're going to show the dripping wax. So right here we're going to go down first, curve it out a little bit, and then curve in, and then again a second one, just go out, curve in to where we're going to continue the side of the candle. So from here just go straight down, trying to keep it straight, and then we'll do the same on the other side. So this is going to go down and then drip out with a curved line that goes out and then back in. Again, straight down, keeping it parallel with our other line as much as you can. And then we're going to draw a partial oval for the base. So from here we're going to start curving in, and we're going to try to meet up right there. Curve out the corner a little bit. So now let's draw the details of this dripping wax. So from here we'll continue this line this way, and then kind of curve it up a little bit going up, and we'll just draw a slight indication there for this particular drip. And then from here we're going to go up a little bit further and then start curving in, and then draw basically just a wavy line here. Up, and then start drip going down here again for a long drip that goes down right here. So again, just basically go straight down, but starts to curve to show the end of the drip, and then back up. Let's add another drip right here to it, kind of like here. And this is going to go up, then curve down and continue to this particular drip. So go up, curve, and then meet up with this drip right here. Next, let's draw the wick. So from here we'll just draw a curved line that kind of curves this way, in, and then up to a point. So now let's draw another line that shows the back side of this candle. Just connect the two corners basically. Just to add some detail, I'm gonna take my thinner pen here and draw a highlight here at the top edge, just a curved oval, and same over here. This time I'm just gonna kinda draw a wavy line at the top and put in a couple ovals for these drips just to show the highlight. And I'm also going to draw a shadow line right here and curves at the bottom, maybe a couple of them. Okay, next we're going to draw the flame. Let's just start up here first, curve down and meet at the center of this wick. So from here draw a big curve and then start curving it in. So from here start curving it out and then in, and then meet at the top. Again, for detail, I'll just go ahead and add a couple lines here, and that's pretty much it. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to outline this with my thicker Sharpie, and we're done. So there you go. This was a pretty simple, straightforward candle emoji. So thanks a lot for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.